Mama Zan. Okay, stay with us. Let other students come. Then we will start the exercise of the first chapter, which I did half the yesterday, and a little bit is remaining today. We will do. Okay, wait just for a 1 minute. Okay, let's start.
सर लोग ज्वाइन नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि वो टीचर ने दोबारा रॉन्ग लिंक दिए.
Okay, I don't know, but we'll start. If they will come
Sir,
soon.
I have book.
Yeah, we start the exercise because we have little bit did yesterday. Okay.
Sir, small book.
Yeah.
Small.
Yes. I think the half of the exercise is remaining. We will do today. It.
Sir, which page?
Okay, I'll tell you the page. Just a moment. Okay. Yes. We take start from the option 9.
Page number 5.
Page
I
number
already
5.
did this one. I
Okay.
already did
Again,
this one.
again we will do this. Okay. Again we
Mozzarella,
will do this.
mozzarella, cheddar, Swiss elemental, and American help prevent tooth decay.
Okay. Now we'll start from the 9 option. Word comes cheese like in the first option. The first option. In the first option, cheddar come.
Cheddar.
Yeah, cheddar, cheddar. And the second option,
Mozzarella.
in the second option,
Mozzarella.
yeah,
Swiss elemental.
mozzarella.
Swiss elemental.
Okay, mozzarella. And the third option, Swiss emmental.
Swiss elemental.
Yeah, Swiss emmental. The third option, emmental. And the last option, this one, the fourth option. This is the fourth option. The last option, American comes. The four at the last, American, American, American comes. Okay, right now you have tried. Okay, yeah, two, mozzarella. Number three, Swiss emmental. And the last one, American. Cheese like cheddar, mozzarella, Swiss emmental, and American help prevent tooth decay. Okay, I'm going to remove now. I'm going to raise it. Come to the next page.
Wait, I invite
Okay.
people.
Yeah. Okay, good. Now here there is fill in the blanks. Now we will do fill in the blanks. What comes in the fill in the blanks? Okay. This is the first fill in the blanks. What comes? Okay, Galia, don't do it. The curry will dash if you don't store in the fridge. What come? The curry in the common language we can say that's salan. Okay, so then over here what comes? Yeah, the first one root come. In the first one what comes?
Not.
Arvuti rot. Rot comes. In the first fill in the blanks rot come. The curry will rot if you don't store in the fridge. Okay, and the second one would come. In the second fill in the blanks. Okay, dead
Decay.
plants and yeah, dead plants and animals die soon. Yeah, definitely. Decay comes. The second one, what comes? Decay. Okay. Now in the third one,
Spoil. Spoil.
definitely
Five.
yeah.
Spoil.
You better use the tomatoes. They may not spoil. Yeah. In the third one. Okay. In the fourth one. In the fourth one. Okay. The orange word dash on the shelf. It's mean keep. What? Over here that kept comes because the tense is
Because
about
it's
fast.
tense. I
Yeah,
also wrote kept.
yeah, kept is correct, but over here keep is written already.
Yeah,
So
because
you
it
are
says change the tense of the word if necessary.
yeah, because there is the tense talking about the past tense. So over here kept comes the orange word kept on the shelf. Okay, you have put at the last after fee you have put t. Okay, in the last one, in the last one, definitely what come? Mulder come. They were known. Look, in the last and the fifth one, there was known to pluck the mangoes from the trees in the backyard. They were left to molder. Over here, what comes? Molder comes. Understand? Okay. Now we have to move ahead. Look, what is there? What is there? Just I'm going to that. I'm going to read it. Given below are the pictures of the three students and what they want to become when they grow up. Work in pairs, Imogen and Op, you is the student in the picture. Now talk among yourselves and find out. Okay. And the below there is a three topic about the three students, which I will tell you. Okay. Three topics about the three students. I will tell you just a moment. Okay. Option number one, what he or she plans to become later in life, where he she plans to study, where he she would find the money for studies, why he she like the particular field. Okay, and below you will get three fields. You will get three fields. One, two, three. In this three, you will select just one field. You will select just one field. It may be number one, it may be number two, it can be number three. If anyone select number two, if anyone selected that going to select number two option, number two field. So the reason can be reason can be what is the plan of the same? What is the planning? How you make the plan for the future? How you will become? Okay. Number two. Number two option is here. Okay, how you will study, what about the planning of the study? Okay, number two option. Number three option. Number three option. Okay, you have money, Yes or not? If you don't have money, how you will find the money and how you will get the same job for the money, as well as you know that study needs money. So how you will manage the same study by the help of money? Okay. Number fourth option, why he she like the particular field. Okay, why you like the particular field? What is the reason? What is the reason behind of it? Why you like the same field? So you have to. This four option is important on the same topic. Okay, now again, last option is this. Ask your questions using what, why. Okay, what and where. It needs location. How? Question mark. When? Need location. Again, why? Question mark. And they will work from to find out about his her future plans. Okay. Okay. What do you like?
B.
Okay. My voice is coming. Yeah, Mama Zan. Mama Zan. Hello. Mama Zan. My voice is coming or not?
A.
My voice is coming. Yes, Galia. Hello.
Yes.
My voice is coming or not? Sorry for the net connection, net problem. Okay, look at here. Here is
B. B.
three option. Are you little bit my voice is coming?
Yes.
Can you hear? Can you hear me? Okay. Look, these are the three topics which I'm going to tell you. Number one,
Doctor.
doctor. Number one,
Number,
doctor. There are three fields. Number one, doctor.
number 2.
Number two,
Army boy.
army officer. Army officer. Okay.
Scientist.
Okay. This is number two.
3 scientists. 3 scientists.
And
It's on the next page.
there is number three. There is number three. Okay. There is number three. Look at the same structure. Here is a scientist. Here is a scientist. Here is a scientist. Here is a scientist. Okay. So if you want to become a scientist, if you want to become a doctor, if you want to become an army officer, you have to select one field and you have to write about it. Okay. It's your topic. Mamazan and Kalia. Understand? It's your topic. You have to select one topic, one field. If you want to become a scientist, you have to write about the topic about the scientist. If you want to become a army soldier, so as well as you have to write about the army officer, and if you want a doctor, so as well as you have to write the topic about the doctor. Again, there is some questions. What, why, where, how? Okay. What is the reason? What is the reason? Okay. What is the reason? Why you want to become a doctor? Why you become a scientist? And why you become an army soldier? And where where you have to perform the same job, and how you will manage the same activity or the same field. So this is the topic. This is the what? This is the topic, and the topic is must Mamazan and Galia. You two are present in the same class. So tomorrow, this is your activity. I need a topic about the scientist. Army soldier. Just select one of the topic which you wanna become in a future. Okay. Yeah.
Sir, we write today or we will write tomorrow in the class?
Yeah. Tomorrow. No. You have to write today, but you will perform tomorrow. Okay, you will perform tomorrow, or you will read in front of me. Okay, if you will read in front of me, you have to share points with me and as well as with your class fellows. Okay, now look at here. Here are the questions. Okay, this is number one. Okay, let's write. Prepare a brief write up on any one of the following food items which is not widely known around the rest of the country. Okay. Option A, any local. Okay, Galia, don't do it. Okay. Option A, any local food product. Option B. Option B, fruit. Option C, a vegetable. Which comes? Okay, the food which is located in your area, which is present in your area, but it is not common uh, in the whole we can say country. Yeah, just tell me. Okay, look, this is also your activity. Find option one comes. This is option one is correct. Any local food product. Okay, this option is correct. But another activity in your location area which you are stay that area. Okay, what is your activity? Find any one vegetable food or anything else which is which is not located in anymore in the country or which is not common. Okay, now let's come to the questions. Here are the questions. Here are the questions. Okay, question number one. Here is this question number one. Okay, question number one. Made of. In this question, there is just talking about cheese. Okay, what is it made of? It's mean what is cheese made of? What is cheese
Cheese is made of
made
milk.
of? Cheese is made of what?
Milk.
Correct. So, good Zain. Okay. Okay, what is that? I'm going to write it now. And this is the answer. Oh, sorry. Okay. This is the answer. It is made. It is made. It is made primarily. Primarily. It is made primarily from from the from the milk of of cow
Of
buffalo.
animal.
Yeah, of buffalo.
You're answering two questions in one.
What?
You're answering two questions in one. You're answering what is it made of and where does it come
Okay.
from?
Okay, I will make an just a moment. Okay. And as always, what we can say, buffalo, goat, and
Camel.
sheep,
Sheep.
camel, etc. Camel, etc. We have also put it. Okay.
etc. Dot.
Yeah. Okay. Now look at me. Well, the first question I'm going to now show you the first question. Okay. It is made of primarily from the milk of milk of what? Milk of
Cow, buffalo, goats,
animals.
and sheep.
Milk of animals. Milk of animals.
Camel.
Cow, buffalo, goat, and this is goat. Okay. Goat and sheep, camel,
Camel, etc.
etc. Yeah.
There should be a comma here.
Yeah. Okay. So these are the what this is the answer of the first question. This is the answer of the first questions. Okay, I'm going to raise it. May I raise it?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, Galia. May I raise it?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good. It's a common sense. From where does it comes? From where cheese comes? Yeah, Galia. Mamazan, tell me. From where cheese comes? It comes from animals. It comes from animals. Yes. Yeah, cheese comes from animals. Cheese comes from cheese.
I already wrote it.
Yeah, comes from animals. Comes from animals. Conceptual question is here. Okay, so it's a common. It's a common. Cheese comes from the animals, which I have already taught you. Number three. Question number three. Okay, now look at here. What is it used for? What is it used for? Yeah, yes. The answer will be what? No, no.
Uh,
The question, right? What used for? Yeah, the answer is here. I will tell you. Look at here. The answer
used
is
for
here.
eating.
Okay. Look, the answer is here. Have you seen? Have you see my page? Can you see my page?
I am also on the same page.
Yeah. Good.
Cheese can prevent you from tooth
Yeah.
decay.
Cheese can help. Yeah.
Cheese can
Okay.
help you
Look,
grow.
prevent tooth decay. Yeah.
Help your body grow.
Yes. Yes. Look, I'm going to. Okay. It can help to prevent tooth decay. The calcium, proteins, and phosphorus in cheese may act
It removes
to
sugar from the mouth.
protect. Come on, yeah. Yeah, and as well as at last what comes, okay? The protein and calcium in cheese help you body grow. Okay, eating cheese increasing the saliva flow and washes away acid and sugar from your mouth. Till here, till here. This is the question number three. This is the question number three. From here to here, this is the answer. You have to note it. In the beginning, if you wanna put it, it is also correct. If you wanna put cheese, it is also correct. In the beginning, cheese can help or it can help. It's your wish, okay? May I raise it? I'm going to raise it. Okay. The fourth question is that the fourth question is that fourth question is that this one. What is special use does it have? Yeah.
It prevents tooth decay.
Yes. Yes.
Prevents tooth decay.
It prevents
Doctors
tooth.
can use these.
Okay. Yeah. You
Doctors
have to
should
tell me by in your own words. Yeah.
no. We have to tell the real
Okay.
doctors to give these to
No. Look
people
at
like
me.
that.
Look
They
at me.
to
The correct answer will be this. The correct answer will be this. I'm going to tell you. Okay. This is the answer. Write it quick. Write it quick. This is the correct answer. Question number 4. Okay. This is the correct answer. Write it. Okay. It is more impact and has. It is more. It is more compact. It is more compact. It is more compact and has a longer and has a longer and has a longer shelf life than milk. Shelf life than than milk. Although how long? Okay. Okay.
what?
This is correct. This is correct. Okay. We do not have to make it large.
It is more compact and has a longer.
Shelf life than milk because
What is
what
shelf?
is
What is shelf life?
shelf like look we keep the cheese anywhere like in the shelf after 2 3 4 5 days after 6 days we can we will pick it and we can eat it after 5 days after 6 days you can keep you will keep anywhere it you can keep you can आप इसको कहीं भी रख सकते हैं कहीं पर आप 4 5 दिन के लिए 7 दिन के लिए 1 हफ्ते के लिए या 10 दिन के लिए 10 दिन बाद आप ये खा सकते हैं you can eat the cheese after many days but the milk you cannot that keep in the shelf for the many days okay आप इनको आप शेल्फ को आप मिल्क को कई दिन के लिए कहीं पर नहीं रख सकते हैं क्योंकि वो खराब हो जाएगा वो क्या हो जाएगा तो ये इसका स्पेशल यूज है लोग इनको ले जाते हैं और अच्छे खासे खुराक के लिए बाद में कई दिन के बाद ये लोग इनको खा लेते हैं ठीक है इसका स्पेशल यूज ये है ठीक है the time is over just 2 questions is remaining they are a little bit large last question second last question is that it is known by any other name and last question what does it look taste like these are 2 questions within 2 or 3 minutes tomorrow we will do it and after that your topics are there and we will start the next chapter okay Amazon right
Okay.
okay now the time is over you have to write these questions now the time is over goodbye
Allah Hafiz, teacher.
Allah Hafiz, Allah Hafiz.